Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an attendance sheet on Google Sheets. So to do that, you are going to just select this to this, so like press shift or select this, insert checkbox. Once you're done, you're going to go to present and you're going to I'm just going to take some of it first. So for instance, they're present on only these days, some of them are not. I'm just doing this randomly. Okay, so this is completely random. Just go to present and go and add this formula in. So equal sign count if, you're going to select this to this or shift from B to F, and then you're going to add a comma to it, true, and then close parentheses and then enter, and you're just going to drag the blue thing down so you'll see like on what days the student is present on, but that's basically it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!